thing I noticed is that there aren't any house numbers on the curbs, which is something that's common in Ontario, so not really a red flag. As I'm walking up the home, the first thing I'm checking is, are the house numbers on the home visible from the street? And as you can see, the numbers on this home are hidden. So for that, I would simply say, no, they're not, and make some recommendations that they move the numbers or get some lit numbers even, so that at nighttime, especially if an emergency vehicle has to come, they can see the numbers clearly. The next thing I'm looking at is the driveway. Is the incline too steep? No, it's not. Nicely paved. There are no cracks, no, red flags in the driveway. As I walk up, I can see that we are okay here. The transition as well from the walkway into the garage, there's no major slopes, so the person can safely get into the driveway. Next, we walk up the walkway. As I walk up the walkway, I'm looking for things like this, grass and shrubs that are in the driveway. All these leaves that are laying here, the plant that's coming over here, that should all be cut back, because if it's ever icy or raining, it could present a fall hazard for the senior occupant of the home. So that is definitely a recommendation I would make. As well, shrubs should be no more than 3 feet high. Now, I'm not going to take out my tape measure, but I'm about 5'6". This is taller than 3 feet high. It's also a security thing, so this I would recommend they trim down to about 3 feet in height. Same with this one right here. As we continue to the front stairway of the home, as you can see, these stairs are quite old. They're wooden. They do have a non-slip on it, but you can see it's a little bit shaky and chipped, and the carpet is lifting up. So that's definitely a fall hazard as well for the senior in the home. They do have a handrail, but look at this. It's not sturdy. You can hear it squeaking back and forth. And there should actually be a handrail on both sides, as well as a resting area for the person. If they have packages and need to open the door, they can safely do so. So definitely, this entire front of this home needs to be modified.